Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Umul Qura Public School online classes. It's your English grammar lecture, and this lecture is for grade 5. And our topic is adjective degree of comparison. I am your teacher, Anam. So let's start. Today, we will learn about what is an adjective and degrees of comparison. An adjective is a describing word. An adjective gives more information about something. An adjective generally describes a noun. A noun is a person, a thing, place, animal, etc. As you can see in the example, the green monster. The green is adjective because it is describing how the monster look like. And monster is a noun. The monster is green, is to be, and green is adjective. Be careful. The monster green, as you can see that mostly if there is not to be adject to be, then the adjective will come before the noun. Today we will learn about comparative and superlative degrees of adjective. Comparative, as you can see by the name, it is a comparison. Okay, comparison and superlative adjectives are modified forms of verb which used to describe nouns by comparing them to the others. Comparative adjective, it is a comparison between two things. For example, the this book is thicker than that one. Superlative, compare three or more things to show which one is has the highest or lowest degree of quality. This is the thickest book in the library. Okay, when we are talking about superlative, details about the most highest or lowest degree of a quality. Some rules about forming comparative and superlative. Only one syllable adjectives generally form the comparative by adding er and the superlative and by adding est. Examples: soft, softer, the softest; cheap, cheaper, the cheapest; sweet, sweeter, sweetest; thin, thinner, thinnest. Next rule is spelling rules. Note that if a one-syllable adjective ends in a single vowel letter followed by a single consonant letter, the consonant letter is doubled. Thin, as you can see, it ends with a vowel N, and it ends with the consonant letter N, and I is a vowel. So thin will become thinner, big will become biggest. If an adjective ends in E, this is removed when adding er or est. Wide will become wider and widest. If an adjective ends in a consonant followed by y is replaced by I when adding er, est. For example, dry will become drier, driest. Two-syllable adjectives. Two-syllable adjectives which end in y usually form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est. Note the change of y to I in the comparative and superlative. Lucky. Lucky, y is replaced by I and it becomes luckier and the luckiest. Pretty, prettier, the prettiest. Tidy, tidier, and the tidiest. Two-syllable adjectives ending in ed, ing, full, or less always form the comparative with more and most. Comparative with more and superlative with the most. Adjective: worried, more worried, the most worried. Boring, the more boring. More boring, the most boring. Careful, more careful, the most careful. Useless, more useless, the most useless. Adjectives which have three or more syllables always form the comparative and superlative with more and the most. Dangerous, more dangerous, the most dangerous. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. The only exceptions are some three-syllable adjectives which have been formed by adding the prefix "an" to another adjective, especially those formed from an adjective ending in y. These adjectives can form comparative and superlative by using more, most, adding er, est. Unhappy, unhappier, the unhappiest, the most unhappy. Irregular adjectives. There are few adjectives which does not follow any rule. Good, better, best, bad, worse, the worst, far, further, furthest. These are the example of irregular adjectives. Use of comparatives. Comparatives are commonly followed by then and a pronoun or noun group in order to describe who the other person or thing involved in comparison. John is taller than me. I think that she is more intelligent than her sister. Use of superlatives. Like comparatives, superlatives can be placed before nouns in the attributive position or occur after being and other linking verbs. The most delicious chocolate cake I have ever eaten. Annabelle was the youngest. The restaurant is the best. As shown in the second two examples. Superlative are often used on their own if it is clear what or who is being compared. If you want to be specific about what you are comparing, you can do this with a noun or a phrase beginning with in or of. Annabelle was the youngest child. Annabelle was the youngest of the children. The restaurant is the best in town. The opposite of comparative and superlative we use for the form less, the opposite of comparative more, and the least, the opposite of superlative the most. Less is used to indicate that something or someone does not have as much of a particular quality as someone or something else. This sofa is less comfortable. I have been less patient than my sister. The least is used to indicate that something or someone has less of a quality than any other person or thing of its kind. It's the least expensive way to travel. She was the least intelligent of the three sisters. This is a solve image of one of the exercises from page number 62 of English School's book. You can take help from this also. After this video, you will be able to solve any exercise on this topic. This is the end of our lecture. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.